India's claims as baseless. What you're seeing are exclusive visuals of the villages that were attacked last night. Between 10 and 11 p.m., India's border security forces say that at least 2 rockets were fired onto the Indian side of the Wagah border. In fact, the third incident of shelling was also reported from the Ratan Kalan village 2 kilometers from the Wagah border. The attack has been confirmed by the BSF and happened at the same time last night. Following the incident, Pakistani Rangers and the BSF held a security emergency flag meeting where Pakistan denied the accusations of firing. At the meeting, India registered strong protest with Pakistan, but sources say officials from Pakistani Rangers denied the allegations, saying that India has failed to produce concrete evidence to prove the allegations are right.
इधर के बारे में हमें कोई सूचना नहीं है। जो उधर से जो फायर आया है उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी है और हमने मौका मुआयना किया है और वहाँ जो गांव के लोग हैं उनको भी हमने काफी तरीके से उनको बता दिया कि किस तरीके से करना है ऐसे सिचुएशन में, और गांव वासी और पुलिस वाले मिलकर के वहां मौके पर शांति बनाए हुए हैं और किसी तरह की मतलब वहां दिक्कत नहीं है। उसके कोई पार्ट्स मिले और पार्ट्स मिले हैं और वो शेल है, रॉकेट लॉन्चर जिस तरह का होता है उस तरह का है। बाकी हम फॉरेंसिक एग्जामिनेशन के लिए भेज करके पता कराएंगे कि एक्चुअली क्या चीज है।
And we spoke with the IG of the Border Security Forces, Himmat Singh, last night immediately after the attacks.
Yesterday night at about 10 p.m., BSF troops posted at BOP Pulkanjri in the area of 65 Battalion. They saw flashlights and sound of fire from Pakistan territory, and after a very short gap, they heard 2 explosions. And we found out that 2 rockets have exploded in the open in Indian territory, approximately 2 kilometers inside Indian territory. And no report of any damage or injury was received. Our troops on the border, they retaliated immediately, very strongly, and fired into Pakistan territory. After that, no incident of fire from Pakistan side took place. We held a commandant wing commander level flag meeting at JCP Atari in the night itself at about 1 o'clock, and made a very strong protest to them about this incident, particularly in view of the previous incident that had taken place near the same place on 4th of July. And we have also handed over a written protest note in the night itself. And after that firing, nothing has taken place on the border. We have alerted everyone on the border.
दुध पी के लम्बे पे मिस्त्री डाया ही कोठी पहुंच गए तो इधर आया पाकिस्तान वालों आवाज आई शू शू की आवाज आई है तो मैं उठ के बुआ लाया बाहर निकलिया बुआ को खोलिया गेट अपना कोठी का तो उधरों बाहर खोलिया इतने आन के वजह बम खड़ा हुआ बहुत ज्यादा हुआ एक गांव निकल के शी बाबा मोदी डिगा का तो पहला ना आवाज आई तरह भी सांस का कुछ जितन जाए लंघता तो एकदम उन्हें खड़ा कर फिर सू कन्ना तो सुनने हट गए फिर समझ लगी ना की बन गया तो अं जल्दी जल्दी उठ के मंजे तो कंधे लगे हो गए उन्हें फिर आम सारा पिंड ही उठ खलोता।
According to Pakistani media reports, Islamabad has dismissed India's allegations, calling them baseless.
Interior Minister Rehman Malik has asked for a report on the meeting held between the Rangers and the Indian Border Security Forces. In the meeting, Pakistan rejected Indian allegations completely. Indian Border Security Forces commander said that Pakistan fired 3 rockets followed by gunfire on the Wagah border. However, the Rangers spokesperson maintained that explosions took place inside Indian territory and was followed by heavy gunfire towards the Pakistani forces. He also said that Pakistani forces did not retaliate in order to maintain peace between the 2 countries.
Well, let me go across to our senior editor Srinjoy Chaudhary for more perspective on this developing story. Srinjoy, very brazen and blatant attack, almost symbolic with the rockets coming across the Wagah border. How is India going to really respond to this development?
Well, India has responded. First of all, the BSF fired back. Secondly, there was a flag meeting where a strong protest was made to the Pakistani side. The Pakistani Rangers are the equivalent of the BSF. Now the point is, why is Pakistan doing it right now, particularly before the foreign secretaries of the two countries are to meet. The foreign minister of Pakistan is to meet the external affairs minister of Pakistan, both in New York. There must be a reason for it, and then that reason no one seems to understand, because if you were doing this along the line of control, then there would be a reason for it, because you would be firing, the Indian soldiers would be going into their bunkers, and the militants could be pushed in. Here there is no possibility. It's just an aimless attempt to trouble the BSF in that area. So that is being considered very surprising and very, very inappropriate as far as the timing is concerned.
All right, Shinjoy, thanks very much for joining us with that update. And it wasn't the first time that the Wagah border was attacked by Pakistan. Remember, it was the 6th of July, hardly 2 months back, when two villages were attacked. One of the 3 rockets fired fell into an irrigated paddy field in the Dhande village and exploded, leaving a crater which was about 10 feet wide. Moving on to some other news now. Marathon talks to break the impasse between Jet Airways management and its pilots before the Chief Labour